There is an app for that. How many times have we heard that, right? Certain app called Hero 911 Network, used by more than 20,000 police officers in 50 states, that could help in a real emergency. Tonight, the Blues are involved in a special night to honor those officers as well. Nate McVicker is here from the Hero 911 Network to explain. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for having us again.
20 months this has been in the making, and now 50 states are on board, right?
That's right. And I want to first of all start by thanking Fox 2, covering us from the inception. A team of police officers and technology experts, a little under 20 months ago, designed this from pen to paper, and now we're live in all 50 states. About 20,000 police officers, federal, state, and local, have downloaded the free and exclusive Hero 911 app, all to protect the students, teachers, and employees.
And we're talking specifically for an armed intruder, a shooter, active shooter.
Absolutely. Our country's #1 act of domestic terrorism is coined an active shooter. It happens in schools, as we know, churches, in places of employment, and we've protected that. The common denominator in every one of these incidents is a shorter police response time can and will save lives, and the Hero 911 app does just that.
And has it been utilized since its inception?
It is. We've had a lot of daily features
Right.
with the service it works in concert with called Guard 911, and we've had some success in California, Arkansas, and recently Texas. The major alert, thank God, has not been activated yet.
That's the best news. That's good.
Absolutely.
It's there if you need it, but it's better if you don't.
Absolutely.
What is the ultimate goal with this app? We were talking off here a little bit ago.
Yeah, the goal #1 is to answer the problem out here. That problem being that #1 active domestic terrorism, the active shooter out there is the common denominator is we've got to shorten the response time for police. This app instantaneously alerts police officers if there is an active shooter incident, automatically instantaneously, therefore shortening their police response time.
Does this go with off-duty officers as well? Say you are at a large gathering somewhere and something like this, heaven forbids, happens. And the officer who might be in the stands watching the game or whatever, they might get an alert. Does that account for them? Are they pressed into action as well?
Absolutely. In this game, this was part of the technology when we designed it. It's all about 80% of police officers, federal, state, and local, are off duty at any one given time. I took an oath as a police officer myself. We have a right to act. I want to know for situational awareness, we are alerted on duty, off duty, in the prime aspect for you to respond, shall you choose to.
I think that makes me feel better. Now, the Blues
Absolutely.
are on board. What's
Absolutely.
going on tonight?
It's great. St. Louis Blues have teamed up with the Hero 911 Network. We thank them. They are playing Winnipeg tonight, so we're going to take care of them, of course, as we challenge. We continue to win these games out here. And the Blues have put on a promotion for us tonight, so I encourage the viewers, if you're interested in coming to see the game tonight, please go to our website, hero911.org. Order your tickets. Some of those proceeds will go to the Hero 911 Network.
And I believe it's like $5 off a ticket. That's not bad at all.
Absolutely.
And this app, to clarify, is for law enforcement officers only.
Federal, state, and local, and we're receiving an overwhelming response. And I have a challenge for the St. Louisans out there. Our challenge is we want to get this in front of Mr. Shaquille O'Neal. Shaquille O'Neal is a tech guru, loves apps, loves kids.
And he's a deputy, is he not?
And he is an auxiliary police officer down in Florida and a couple other states. So my challenge to the St. Louisans, if we can get this flooded with his tweeter, get this in front of Shaquille O'Neal, you have a meal for two anywhere you want to go in the beautiful restaurants in St. Louis on the Hero 911 Network.
Well, I happen to know Mr. Shaquille O'Neal, size 22 feet in all. I believe he watches us every day, right, John?
He does. He loves Fox 2 News in the morning.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us. And of course, if you want to learn more about it and maybe to get a deal on those Blues tickets, we've got it on our website at fox2now.com.